Hi Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 13th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is the Magician card, the Seven of Swords, and the Temperance card. Person B here has Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, and the Fool card. Now bottom of the deck I have Two of Wands, which means that either you or your person could be dealing with two people, because Wands energy show passion, physical attraction, sex, and it could be that either one of you is dealing with two people at the same time. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have the Magician energy, which means that you are in a very powerful energy. The Magician energy is major arcana and it's a little tricky energy as well. Now if you have been to a magic show, you will see that when you go to the magic show, you see what the magician wants you to see. So when you get into that magician energy, it totally depends on you if you want to use it positively or you want to use it negatively. So when you will get in that energy, you will command all the four elements to work things in your favor. You may go ahead and do something positive with it, but you can also go ahead and use that energy to do something negative. Now the second card that I see for you is Seven of Swords, which is not a very positive sign. It shows deception, trickery, some kind of backstabbing, cheating. The third card I see for you is Temperance, which means that you'll eventually realize that balance is required in the relationship, and balance is also required maybe in your life as well. Now for person B, the first card is Seven of Pentacles, which shows patience. There's a lot of patience this person will have to put in to deal with this situation. The second card is Ace of Wands, which shows new beginning, but again it's focused more towards passion and attraction more than commitment, emotions, stability. The third card for this person is the Fool card, which is Aries energy. It could be that this person wants to jump in and take a big leap of faith and do something that they have not discussed with you. Now with this, we'll quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see here is Page of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, and Queen of Swords. With Page of Pentacles, this person wants to start small but eventually build on that relationship. With Ten of Cups, it means a family-like situation where you have everything in order. And the third card is Queen of Swords, which shows that you need to discuss something with this person. And whenever you plan to have that discussion, please ensure that you don't hide anything from them. Now with this, we'll also go ahead and see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for all of you. So the message that I see here is take time to breathe out. This means that you need to take some time out. It's high time that you go ahead and take some time out. You go ahead and give yourself that peace of mind. Okay, maybe take a small vacation, a small holiday, and just be with your own self so that you can clear out your mind. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that we see for you is Amethyst. The crystal messages: are you ready to transform your life? Through your spiritual connection with the divine, you can receive intuitive insight to help you in your daily life. You have the ability to transform your reality using the spiritual guidance you receive. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Zadkiel that I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.